Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and it's great to see you guys here. And today I'm sharing 6 companies that are currently hiring for remote work at home positions right now. So I've been giving you all the details right on this video, so stay tuned for that. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel because right now I am uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that teaches exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So go ahead and smash the subscribe button and don't forget to push the notification bell because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you found out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, so this is what I am doing, and this is totally worldwide. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about the system. Guys, the people who've gone through this system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information. So guys, let's talk about the 6th website we are going to talk about today. So let's jump into this video. So guys, the first one up is today is called American Homes for Rent. So they are currently hiring for a sales agent and minimum of 2 years of inbound call experience is required, and they would like someone with college. That is preferred but not required, and the pay is around $15 with some benefit. So you can learn more about this opportunity by going directly here, and I leave a link below in the description of this video so you can find out all the details here, what are the requirements and what are the compensation and benefits they are giving to you. So go ahead and check it out guys and apply from here. So the next one is Randstad General Staffing. So they are currently hiring for call center reps across the United States, and the previous call center experience is a plus but not a requirement. So according to Indeed, the pay should be around $11 an hour, plus they are giving commissions. So you can learn more about this opportunity by clicking the link below and you can find out all the details here, and there are a lot of jobs here, so you can apply from here. So go ahead and check it out guys. So the next one is Dictate. So they are currently hiring for transcriptionist and a minimum of 2 years of transcription experience is required, and you also need an audio player, and a transcriptionist foot pedal is required, and the pay is around 65 cents per character line including spaces. So you can learn more about this opportunity at dictateexpress.com, or I'll leave a link below in the description of this video, so go ahead and check it out. You can find out all the details here. What are the requirements? So they are currently have minimum 2 years of transcription experience is required, and you can find out all the details here guys. Go ahead and check it out. Okay, so let's jump into another website. So another website is Windy Call Center Job Work at Home. So they are currently hiring for call center reps in Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Florida, Nevada, Louisiana, Tennessee and Texas. So you will need a quiet workplace and a speedy wired internet connection. It's required guys. So they offer paid training and your headset will be provided to you. So the pay is around $9 per hour plus bonuses and a $1 increase in after 90 days. So you can learn more about this opportunity by going here. So check it out guys. They have a lot of job over here, so you can go and apply from here. Okay, so the next one is JJ Keller. So they are currently hiring for sales reps in Wisconsin and Illinois only. So you must have over 2 years of experience in sales and in account and development and a relationship selling, and IT equipment is provided plus internet reimbursement from home office is required. So according to the Glassdoor, the average base pay should be around 41k per year along with 17k per year in commission. So you can learn more about this opportunity by going here. So go ahead and check it out guys. I'll leave a link below in the description of this video. Okay, so the last one today is United Jobs. So they are currently hiring for Apple's reps in Texas, Connecticut, Arizona, Florida, and Minnesota. And 1 year of experience analyzing and solving customer problems, or 1 year of experience in related environment such as office administrative, clerical, or customer service is required. So I researched on the Glassdoor, the pay should be around $16 per hour. So you can learn more about this opportunity by going here. Check it out, guys. I'll leave a link below in the description of this video, so you can find out all the details here and apply from here. So guys, these are the 6 web companies that are currently hiring for work at home remote positions, so you can go and check it out. But guys, if you want to make a better use of your time, and this is what I am doing, so click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about the system. If you want to make $100 a day online, and this is completely worldwide, so it doesn't matter where are you from, you can do it from anywhere. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about the system. Guys, the people who gone through this system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So go ahead and click the first link, guys, and I will share with you more information. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, make sure you do, because I am posting consistent basis that provide you tremendous amount of value. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. And guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day.